Okay, so putting the rails on now. The first thing that you want to do is comes with a little little rubber that you put at the end. So you just want to put it at the end, both of these. So I already did this side, the clamps. So I'm gonna show you where you put them. Basically, you on each side, you want to put one in the middle, one on this side, one on that side. I'm using half-inch socket. So it's just all the way up on the top. Okay, so next you want to put the cover on. So but before that, you want to make sure you put this one. This is for the tension. I have it at 4 in the back, close to the back, and 1 close out here. You put the pin, you can see, in the number 2 spot. Do that on both sides. And then you take the little bolt, put it in here, and the washer, the black washer, and you tighten it, not too tight, but tighten it up just right. It's a hand screw. So now everything is in. Start to roll it. So you want to make sure back here it's okay. See the straps are right here. So to begin to roll it, want to make sure the bars are in between. You roll it. Don't worry about it sticking yet to the sides. You just want to make sure it rolls down cleanly. Now, when I first did it, it wasn't going all the way down here. It was stopping like right here. Then I reinstalled it. Now it's right here. So you want to make sure that you get The end's right here. Just press down. See? Then from there, you want to make sure this is tucked in. You see that along here is all sealed. Around to this side. Do the same. You see, everything's all sealed. And when you have to roll it, press this lever up, it pops it up. Feel a little force, push it down. You see? It's all clear. Alright, so over here, no lights. You see underneath. And that's it. A quick installation. For real, honestly, it would take like about, after you unbox everything, for real, probably 15, 20 minutes to actually do this. And that's it.